Alright everyone, hello and welcome back to the channel. Alright, now so here's a video that my good friend Shirley sent me, and Shirley, thank you for the video. Now the video deals with the frauditor that is known as Harvey Freebird, or should I say Harvey Jailbird, with as many times as he's been arrested. Now I found the video very interesting because Harvey gets himself kicked out of the police department here, whereas in my opinion he brought that upon himself, because as all frauditors they have it in their head that when they enter a public building and they come across a doorway that has no signage stating employees only or restricted area, that somehow that means come on in. Oh, now again, for Harvey's at this location to initiate a public request form on an accident that he's seen a couple of nights that he recorded, and he wants more information on that because he thinks there is some type of cover-up, conspiracy by police or whatsoever. Harvey's got it in for the police. You could tell he's a straight-up cop hater, but again, I cut a little bit out of the video where he's bitching and moaning, and he is told that he could initiate that public request form through the internet, as we all know that, but Harvey says no. He preferred to do it in person, and I think it's safe to say that we all know why Harvey and the rest of the frauditors want to do public request forms in person, because if they do it through the internet, they can't make a damn video to make a few dollars off of. So hey, they gotta initiate it in person so they could aggravate, cause confrontation, and their subscribers get off on it. Damn it, let's get into the video and we'll go from there.
What's up, everybody? Starting to rain, but I'm already over here, so I'm going for it. I got my umbrella. Look, I went live the other night at about 3:30, almost 4 o'clock in the morning. It was a motorcycle wreck. The guy was hurt really bad, laying in the middle of the street, so I got out and recorded it. There was police and firefighters all over the place, but it was civilians that scraped this guy up off of the street and loaded him into a civilian car. No questions asked. So it really looked like a cover-up to me, like maybe this guy was a police officer or something. So I'm gonna come down here and dig into it. I've got too many videos to edit and shit right now, so I'm just gonna go live. You guys smash the thumbs up. What's up, y'all? Can y'all see, or is the lens wet? Holy fuck, what is this? That's not where I'm going. Holy shit. I ain't never, here we go, sheriff. I had no idea there was gonna be all these people in here, y'all. Looks like a good Karen situation might come up. Oh. What are the odds of that? Oh, I got too much stuff, man. I got umbrellas. I got notebooks. As soon as this live stream's over, I will put the video link from the other night from the incident that this is regarding. I will put that link in the description. If one of my moderators will throw that in there. How come there's nobody here? Oh, this door. Is this door locked? Look at this. The door's wide open. Let me get my stuff.
All right, so I ask any one of you that are watching this video here that if it were you at this police station and you notice no one at the window to service you, and you also notice a doorway there that was open, but damn it, it doesn't look like it's meant for the public to walk in and out of, what would you do? Now, me personally, I say, hold on, I have a cell phone. Hold on, let me call them up and let them know I'm in the lobby waiting. Send somebody to service me, damn it. But not Harvey. Harvey has a cell phone, but no. The only reason he has a cell phone apparently is to record confrontations. But let's see what Harvey would do. I think we all know what Harvey's going to do, huh? Stupid Harvey.
We're going. Here we go. I wonder there's nobody there. Oh, another door. It doesn't say no. Haven't seen any restricted access signs. Hey, how you doing?
All right, how are you?
Pretty good. I'm trying to get some help. I'm trying to turn in a public records request to the sheriff. Through these doors right here that were open. It didn't say no restricted access.
Let's go.
What is this, authorized personnel only?
Yeah.
Well, who can I get some help with?
Up here at the front where we're taking you?
Well, look, you see how these doors aren't labeled properly? That means this is a public building. Anybody?
It's not. You can't. Come out.
I'm telling you, it is. I know the law better than you guys.
That's fine.
The door's not locked.
Come out this way.
You guys need to label these doors and lock them.
Thank you, sir. We will. Come on.
I need some help with this.
Anderson, walk around right there.
Can I get your names and badge numbers?
Come on. Let's go.
Can I get your name and badge number, sir?
Take it right out here.
Sir, name and badge number.
Right out here.
So you're not going to push me around. This is a public lobby.
That's a good line. Not here.
It doesn't say restricted access on that door.
Let's go.
Can I get your name and badge number?
No.
Are
Let's
you
go.
are you threatening me with arrest?
No. Let's go. You can't just walk into the station though.
It doesn't say no. It doesn't say authorized personnel
What
only.
does it say?
That says sheriff's department. That means a public building.
It doesn't say department for one.
Well, it says sheriff's office.
We can't help you here. We don't have the answers for what you need.
Jay Anderson. What's your badge number?
4067. All right.
If I get him identified, I'm walking out.
Let's go.
Are you a public servant?
Let's go.
You're refusing to identify?
Let's go.
These guys are acting threatening, so I'm going to walk out. I'm in fear for my life. I need some help with this. That's how your sheriff's office treats people. You guys call Harris County Sheriff's Department. See that? See how they did me? I need a supervisor. Supervisor. You guys call Harris County Sheriff in Humboldt, Texas. See how they just did me? Threw me out of a public lobby. That guy made physical contact with me, y'all. That's why I walked out. He was nudging me. You know what? I thought this was going to be really easy to come down here and turn in this form.
All right, so some of you might feel that this was questionable on how the officers handled this situation and then ended up throwing Harvey out. And I honestly look at the big picture and I say, well, shit, Harvey brought this upon himself because once he walked into that lobby, once he walked up to that window and realized nobody was there, well, shit, use your cell phone. Cell phone's got to be better than just recording or live streaming, okay? Hey, I'm out in the lobby. Come service me. No, Harvey feels that if there's a door right there and it's open and there's no signage stating restricted or employees only, well, that means I can go in. Now, once Harvey was told you're in the wrong area, you don't belong back here, now he wants to start this BS that, well, shit, if the door doesn't have no signage stating I can't come in, then I'm coming in. I know the law more than you. So I look at the big picture and I say, damn it, if he wasn't so cocky cocky with that attitude, that entitlement attitude, he probably would have got what he wanted, okay? But, again, my opinion, these officers, if you come off cocky, you come off like you are badass, well, they're just going to shut you right out, okay? Is it right? I don't think so, but I don't care. With these guys, with the way they go about handling things, I feel they deserve everything they get.
So we got thrown out of the sheriff's office. What's this? Justice of the peace. That ain't gonna help me. How y'all doing? How y'all doing? Tax office. That ain't gonna help me. Well, they locked me out of the sheriff's department. There you go, man. Go ahead. You're welcome. Thank you. Let's go see if there's another entrance to the sheriff's department, man. We'll take down all the license plates. We'll look through all the windows. I mean, they... You know what I'm saying? I thought this was going to be really easy to come down here and do this. Boy, was I wrong. What we got here? See, that's where I was just at, right there. See, now it says court. Wait, that says court. Shit, man, it's raining, y'all. We might have to scratch the looking through the windows part. The windows are tinted anyway. Oh, here we go. Not a public entrance. You see that, you guys? So the entrance that I did use, they accosted me pretty much in a threatening manner and threw me out. Need a supervisor, bro. You guys, blow these phones up, man. That guy just laughed at me.
All right, so now apparently if you laugh at a frauditor, they call for a call flooding. Hey, guys, blow up the phone. The officer just laughed at me. Ain't that some shit, okay? Hey, guys, blow up the phone. The officer just gave me cross-eyed look, damn it. Holy crap.
So we're at 7900 Will Clayton. There we go. Hey, how you doing, sir?
1 second.
Okay.
I'll come right back and talk.
Yeah. Is that like a fairy tale, like Bigfoot or something, or are you really going to come back? Okay. I've heard this excuse a million times. I thought this was going to be a really easy trip down here. I was going to be nice and polite. How are you doing today, officer?
Good, I'm good.
I thought I was just going to come down here and have a nice, pleasant, little quick visit, and it just went all to hell. So the public interest is on the other side, correct?
The courthouse public entrance
No,
is on the front?
the sheriff's department.
Yes.
I walked in there and those guys threw me out, like threatening, like accosted me. The guy got up in my face and was rubbing me, pushing me with his body. All I'm trying to do is turn in this Freedom of Information Act request through the sheriff's office.
Follow me.
Well, thank you, sir. I like to file complaints on these guys, too.
Well, I know you do.
The ones that just bullied me, threw me out of a public building. Yeah, this is where I was at, and they threw me out.
This?
Yeah, this is
public.
This is where I was.
This is not public.
Well, the door wasn't locked.
Okay. I'm telling you, this is public.
Okay, well, this
This is not public.
They threw me out of here.
Stop. Because you were in there.
But then when I came in here, they threw me out of here too.
In there.
And then they
That's
locked.
why they did that.
Then they locked
Okay.
the door.
And the clerk is gone.
Okay.
The office is closed. That's why they escorted you out.
You guys need to put up some signage because the public. How's the public supposed to know? The door.
Why you didn't go to jail?
Yeah, the door.
Because you didn't know.
Yeah, and I
But,
walked out.
Again, you weren't allowed here.
Okay.
They're not here, so this office is closed.
Can I turn in this form to you?
No. Let's walk back out.
You're gonna refuse the FOIA request form?
But it's not my area, dude. You need to get out into legal.
Can I get your name and badge number? Hernandez.
And that is 152.
152.
We have a legal department down at 1200 Baker Street.
So you throwing me out again?
No, I'm escorting you out. I'm
Escorting
not
me
throwing
out.
you anywhere.
All right. What? Hey, can I get these guys identified?
You can.
I asked them to identify. They refused. It's their
They don't have
policy.
to. No.
They don't have to?
No.
You guys heard
I'll
that?
explain it to you right after.
Boy, you guys are going to get a million phone calls today.
That's fine.
There's already 150 people watching. I came down here to be nice and do a simple transaction. You guys ruined it.
Let me explain real
You
quick.
guys blew it,
Let
man.
me explain something real quick.
This is why police have a bad look and a bad name.
Indeed. When by policy, not
Yeah.
by law, but by policy. But you can't randomly, I'll walk up to other cops and say, I want your name and badge number. Because if we didn't initiate the interaction,
They did
we're not
initiate it.
required to give you
They
anything.
threw me out. I asked
You
for
were
a name
in
and badge.
restricted part of the sheriff's office. You weren't supposed to be in
They still talked to me first. I didn't know that. How am I supposed to know that when the door's open and there's no signs?
That's why you're not in trouble. They
Well-
just escorted you out.
Can I get them identified? You're their superior.
No, I'm nobody's superior. This is my name.
Okay, you guys.
Badge number 152. We have a legal department for Freedom of Information.
The law says I can turn this in anywhere.
1200 Baker Street.
The law
You
says
can
I can
go
turn
back
it
to
in
them at
here.
1200 Baker Street. You have better luck that way.
I mean, I gave you guys a chance to look good. I come down here with a good attitude. I was being nice, and you guys blew it. You have a good day.
Yes, sir. You too.
All right. Enjoy the phone calls. Wow. I can't believe this happened, dude. I literally came down here with good intentions.